All right, so I found the drone that I'm going to be using finally. After purchasing and returning and trying out and sampling a couple different drones, finally found the one that I'm happy to go with. This is not it. This was one of the ones that I kept. This is the Swell Pro Spry Plus sport drone, waterproof, really tough little guy. The video footage for this is just not for what I'm trying to do though, and that cap that's in front of the camera, I don't know, it causes a problem for me. Also, when you turn the drone left and right, there's a bunch of like movement that I'm understanding now that they call jello. So you see here, this is the one that I'm gonna go with, the Mavic Air 2 from DJI. I bought some prop guards for it as well. I'm gonna tell you why I put up the part before saying that's not a toy. This thing hit my right finger. One of the props hit my right finger, and I felt that thing in my left toe. This is not a toy. It's not for kids. These things are serious. But onto the video. This right here is the exact reason why I like this drone and why I fell in love with the footage too.
Why you upset like Cinderella teens? You should see the things I finish inside these denim jeans. I can't associate with y'all this shit like ketamine. Been on one, been on two, been on everything. Bitch, I'm with my gang, with my squad, what the fuck you want? Soapy rolling gas, I can't hang, bitch, I'm fucking gone. I got people down from the jump, better know your bonds. I got people just
Alright, what you're taking a look at here is me practicing flying, and notice all my movements are jerky. However, I will say this is before I learned that you had to get the drone registered, and in doing business you also have to get a license for the drone. It's the Part 107 license through the FAA. You take a test with them, and depending on how you do with the test, you pass, you get licensed. Any type of footage or video that you take from the air can be considered in furtherance of business. At the time of doing this video, I definitely didn't know that, and I didn't know the rules of flying, as you can see right here, where the drone, I have it hovering over the road, which we're not supposed to do now that I know that. This is pretty old video. This is way before I took the class. But listen, the 107 license is worth it. And now that I know the rules, you can transition across the street. You're not allowed to hover above the street. That would be the way to handle that. But this is the one I'm going with, the Mavic Air 2 by DJI.